Hi Subbies, it's good what it is, it's me, I am Dumelo Medallion and I'm back once again with another video. So in today's video guys, as you guys already know, I got you, I'm your plug when it comes to everything hair. So in today's video, I will be reviewing this hair from Upretty Hair. Thank you so much to Upretty Hair for sponsoring today's video. Guys would like to purchase this hair, please don't forget there is description down below. Click on the description and you will find all the information and everything else that you need to know. Save yourself some coins, okay? I will be installing this amazing beautiful hair that I got from them. So today we will be doing the short bobiana. It is curls, as you guys can see. As you guys know, I really do love curls. Please again do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Happy New Year, happy 2022. And if you guys would like to know how I got to install this hair, please do keep on watching.
Yeah, so loves, as I did mention, happy new year. And starting off the year, we are starting off with Upretty Hair. So they were kind enough to send me this amazing hair, basically showing you guys everything that comes in here. It's the comb, the clips, the edge brush, the 2 wig caps of course, and also, oh my god, how cute is this bonnet. Like, it is super cute. It's the silk bonnet that they sent me, as well as this elastic for instances if the wig is too big, you can just adjust it, as well as these lashes, and of course a headband. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the hair as it comes in its box. It does have all the details in it. How cute is this box, guys? If you open the box, you will see it does have all the information regarding the hair. This hair is a 12-inch wig, and of course it does have all the details. It is a short wig, and it does have a 13x4 lace frontal, and it is in 180% density. So this is a bobiana, guys. As you guys can see, as per usual, 13x4 lace, and it does have those 3 combs in front, and of course 1 comb at the back as well. Now with the install, as you guys would know, I usually brush my edges, put on the wig cap, and of course tint the wig cap of course. But I usually bleach my wigs, but I'm not going to do it with this one because the lace, as you guys can see the color of the lace, I'm cutting that excess because of course there is no need. And guys, this bobiana, do you see that lace? Do you see how shocked I am? That lace matches my skin so perfectly. There is no need to bleach this lace. There's absolutely no need because wow, it is absolutely perfect. And yeah, as per usual, I'm gonna use the got to be in 2 layers, and of course I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video. There's absolutely no need for me to explain everything because everything, it is self-explanatory, and I'll catch you guys by the end of this video. I don't know if it's me or what, but You Pretty Hair came through for the girl with this hair. Like, this is a perfect bob for the summer. You can go to the beach with it, you know, like you can do the most with this wig. You can go out for picnic, you know the drill. But if you guys would like to get more information about this hair, the link is in my description down below. You can also catch them on Instagram, as well as go onto their websites. They do have a variety of wigs to choose from. But yeah, guys, also save yourself some coins. Why not? It's 2022. Why would you want to be spending a lot on hair when you can absolutely save? So yeah, but other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Happy New Year. And yeah, man, I hope the year goes well for you, and please do keep on watching more videos. Comment down below what kind of videos would you like to see. And yeah, man, thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you to You Pretty Hair for sponsoring today's video. Other than that, I love you guys. Happy New Year and God bless.